Hello. So I've had some questions and some viewers ask if they could see behind the scenes on how Golden Road Reborn works and how the indicators work. So this is what the tool will look like when you, or your chart will look like when you implement the Golden Road tool and upload it to your MT4 dashboard. And so here is the Golden Road and the sell zone and the buy zone for the different exchanges. So in this case, I'm just going to go through a little bit of history, go back over the last month or so, and see with Great British Pounds if there's any opportunities indicated by the Golden Road. And so we scroll along and we'll find here that there is a position that meets the SOP for a sell. So this is a sell position that the Golden Road would indicate that you should take advantage of and take on a sell position. So this would be under the method 1 that is described in the Golden Road strategy. And then there's a second position right here, which is actually method 2. And so you take a position here, and then you would take a second position here under method 2, so method 1, method 2, and then there's a third position you can take under method 2, and so these are each sell positions on this Great British Pound Japanese Yen pair. And then as we move forward, the Golden Road will indicate that this is time to take profits. And so take profits by closing out each of these 3 positions. And so if we look at the potential profit that you would have made here, let's just assume that you purchased at the bottom of the candle and then you closed out at the top of the candle. And so if you closed out at the top of the candle in the first position, you would have received 3,180 bips profit. And then if you took the second position and purchased or sold at the bottom of the candle and then purchased it back, closed the position at the top of the candle, you'd be looking around 2,800 bips profit. And then if you took this third position, a sell position at the bottom of the candle, and then sold again around the top, you'd be another 1,750 bips. So there's a fairly decent amount of profit that could have been made here from December 19th until December 21st, over 2 days. Not bad. Nice little pre-Christmas present, potentially. So if we move ahead and see if there's any other indicators based upon this SOP to buy or sell, we can see that we've come across another position where you would want to potentially sell Great British Pound Japanese Yen and take a sell position here. And this would be under the first method, and then this second position would be under the second method. And so we're looking at from here, if we were to purchase or sell, we take a position and sell at the bottom of the candle, and then this is where the indicator is to close your position. So if you were to close, you'd be looking around 1,500 bips profit on this position. And then if you were to take this second position as indicated by the SOP and you got into this position here and again sold at the top, you'd be another 1,000 bips profit for that position. So you can potentially do it sooner if you're seeing this happen, but when you see it in real life, you never know. And so you could potentially sell here if you see it, but the indicators show here, but it's still a decent amount of profit for these 2 positions as shown by Golden Road Reborn. So hopefully that helps, and if you have any questions, please comment below and I will try my best to answer any of your questions.